Hello. So in this video you're gonna hear my teenager growl because I don't know why, he's a weird creature. Anyway, I don't know if you guys heard that or not, but in this video I'm making, oh, can you see what I'm doing here? Somewhat. Okay, I'm making brown sugar barbecue sauce, I think is what the title. Yeah, brown sugar, oh, hang on. I gotta find my towel. Sorry guys, I have a lot of things on the go here, only if you knew. Okay, I'm just gonna set my book here. Where can I set this at the second? Okay, I'm using this canning book here for it. It's brown sugar, oh, I can just set it right there actually. Okay, it's brown sugar barbecue sauce, and it uses 10 pounds of Roma tomatoes, which I have measured out, and I'm washing as I cut them. It calls for 4 cups of onions, which I'm actually not putting in. 1 cup of chopped celery. I have a little bit more than 1 cup. You can see I have a good healthy cup. Oh, you could see that. Anyway, I have 1 cup, little more than 1 cup of celery. Half a cup of ginger, which you can see right here. Half a cup of ginger. And then the other things I don't have beside me just yet, but it calls for 4 cloves of garlic. I'm actually not adding that in, I'm leaving it out. 2 bay leaves, which I'll add that in once I have all this stuff pureed. I'll explain that in a second. 2 tablespoons of pickling salt. 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of ground cloves or allspice. I'll probably use allspice. 3 cups of packed brown sugar, and 2 cups, oh, that's a little much off that one, and 2 cups of apple cider vinegar. Now, it says to chop everything and then place into a pot, cook down until soft, and then put through your food puree, which I'm actually not doing. I am chopping everything, as you can see, and then I'm going to put it through my blender, my Vitamix. This is how I do all my sauces, through the Vitamix. This way I'm getting the seeds and I'm getting the skin. I'm getting all the nutrition out of these tomatoes instead of just the little bits that are left. I don't know, I find this easier, and I don't notice a taste difference whether they're in there or not. So that's really what I'm doing right now, is I'm just chopping these up. I'm blending them, and then I'm going to get them all into a pot. But I'll bring you guys back once I have all of these tomatoes washed and chopped and blended, and I've blended up the ginger and the celery. So I'll bring you guys back in a little bit. Okay, so I have my tomatoes and my celery and my ginger all blended together and in the pot. So now I'm going to add my 3 cups of brown sugar, the 2 cups of apple cider vinegar, the 2 tablespoons of canning spice, or canning salt, sorry, and my as soon as I can find it, my 1 teaspoon of allspice, and I normally don't, but I'm going to. It's going to go half a teaspoon of black pepper, and the 2 bay leaves. And that's it. I do believe, I don't think I missed anything. Nope, I didn't miss anything that I wasn't adding in. Okay, so I'm just going to get this very well stirred up. And I just have it on kind of a medium heat at the moment, so I'm just trying to get everything all heated up. Just trying to get everything all heated up and happy in there. And I'm just going to let this simmer for probably a good, I don't know, hour to 2 hours. We'll see. It just depends on how long it takes to get to the thickness I want it. So I'll bring you guys back once this has got to that thickness that I'm looking for. So I'll be right back. Alright guys, now it's time to can up this barbecue sauce, and let me tell you, it tastes really, really good. I was debating if I was going to add anything else to it. Actually, no, let me give it one more taste. I don't think I'm going to. You can see it's, oh no, you can't see that, hold on. Now you can. So you can see it has thickened up quite nicely. I don't need to add anything to that. Oh, that is delicious. I'm just hoping this will thicken up even more as it cools down, because I have cooked this for almost 4 hours. It's pretty thick. But it's okay if it's not, because it just means it's homemade. So we're just going to fill the jars up. I'm just going to do 2 at the moment. We want to wipe the rims. And I have my water bath canner heating up. Okay, we're going to put our lid on it. Gosh, that is really good. Put our lid on it, put our ring on it, and process this for 35 minutes. So I'll be back in just a moment. And there we go. Ended up with 6-7 pints of the brown sugar barbecue sauce. And I have a little bit left over that I put on our chicken for dinner tonight. So we'll get a little taste of it tonight. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I will talk to you again really soon. Bye.